Welcome to our English lesson. Today we are learning one of the most useful and commonly used words in English. Can. Let's get started. You can learn by watching me. My phone can take good photos. Anyway, I can manage for a day. I can't hear them from here. I can't think without coffee. You can count on me. She can't do all the work by herself. No one can pocket my money. Is there anything I can do? You can't even hold a thing properly. You can know everything in the world and still make bad decisions. I can't move the sofa alone. It's too heavy. This is the only way I can find the truth. We can barely look after ourselves. I have been doing my best, but I just can't handle it alone. You can still make things right. How can she run after everything alone? We can easily go inside through the window. You can't be 30. You look young. Poor diet can cause serious health issues. This phone can last all day on one charge. The baby can wake up any time. Can I try this shirt on? Can I use the bathroom? Can I have a glass of water, sir? Can we go a little faster? Can you put it over there? Can you watch the house while I'm out? Can you come for a moment? Can you open the door? My hands are full. Can you read that sign from this distance? I can hold the umbrella for you. I can carry your suitcase upstairs. I can wait here until you come back. You can stay with me as long as you want. You can all leave when it's over. You can't put it off like this. He is not picking up. I can't reach him. I can't talk right now. I'm busy. I can't take it anymore. I can't help it when I get angry. I can't hear you. What are you saying? I can't catch a break. I can't hold it anymore. That can't be Zoe. She's in England. 7 plus 7 can't be 15. I can't decide which one to wear. She can't be home at this time. We can't make it on time with this speed. This bag can't hold more things. It's full. You can't leave today. It's raining heavily. He can't see well without his glasses. Can't you even understand such a simple thing? You can't escape your destiny, can you? Can I leave my stuff here for a bit? How can I not remember where I put the dust cloth? Practice these sentences every day and use them while speaking. See you in the next lesson.